Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another Etsy and auction buys. This one came from a crafter here on YouTube. His name is David V. V as in Victor. And he supports a lot of the crafters here, but he's also a crafter himself. And I believe this is the purchase from his Etsy shop. So let's get into this one first. And his Etsy shop link is on his channel. He has got some really neat stuff in there, and I honestly don't. Yes, I do remember what I bought now. I love anything vintage. I love anything hand embroidered, and I love these scarves and napkin sets and things, but this is actually a very long table runner, and look at the beauty in this thing. And this is hand embroidered. Beautiful stitching, and it is very long, and I still use these today. I use a lot of these in my house, and it is clean. It has one little spot that I see on it right there, but I'll put something on it, sit something over top of it. It's gorgeous. I love it. It wasn't very expensive either. So check out David V's channel and his Etsy shop. So, what did I buy in his auction? And guys, his sales were really cheap. I was shocked. And where did you get these purple envelopes? I know some people are running you down for these. So, what did I buy? And I know it's bridal stuff, because I'm too lazy to cut mine up. Okay. So, I bought this for little man because he loves trucks. And it is a little golden book, and it's what kind of truck. And let me see if it has the copyright on it. No. Yes, 1983. And I realize, this is an older vintage book, but I don't care because he loves trucks, so I'm going to let him have this one. I'm not going to save it, because he will love this book. It will probably become his night-night book for a very long time, and he may even sleep with it, because when he really loves a book, he snuggles up with them. So let's see what all I got. This is part of a wedding veil. I'm not going to pull it out of the bag because there's a lot of it here, but I have an upcoming project, and I had gotten rid of all of mine because I don't like using it, and now I need it. So yeah, I got this for an upcoming project I'm making. I think I paid like $1 for the whole bag. It wasn't much. And then I paid $1 for this. This is just crazy. I mean, I paid $1, $2, $2, $1, and $3 for everything here. So I kind of felt bad for the poor guy because his stuff was going, if it had been me, I'd have just quit the sale. I'd have just said, okay, we're going to do this another day. Look at this beautiful applicator. He had taken the time to cut them out, or else he bought them this way. I'm not sure which, because David goes to a lot of sales too. This is, I mean, I got the whole bag for probably $2 to $3. I'm not sure which, but I think that was the dollar item. And there's the second one, exactly like it. Let me see if it'll show up on here. Gorgeous. And then I got this one. Yeah, this is the right side. I mean, that's amazing. My lighting is sucking. It's really bad right now. So, yeah, it's good stuff. I'm happy I got it. And then, let's see. This was a piece of a wedding gown that's already cut up. And then it came with a piece of the trim around the bottom, which, you know, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different appliques on here, which is gorgeous. And then, oh heavens, another piece. So you got 1, 2, 3, because these two are cut in half. But I mean, even so, this part could still be used on snippets or something. And then, oh heavens, it keeps coming. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you've got this end piece here, so it's 5. Wow, amazing. And that's a right large section of the wedding gown too. So, oh heavens, it keeps going. There's another piece of it. And as you guys know, I sell the wedding gowns intact for other people to cut up because I don't like to cut them up, so. Okay, what's in this bag? It looks like it might be a repeat of the first bag. Oh no. Look at this huge applique. Oh my. And David, I'm sorry, but if I was you, I would have put this stuff in my Etsy store and sold it for a lot more than what you were getting in your auction. Just a little suggestion for your future sales, but you know, if you're not getting what you want for it, you don't have to sell it. Just end the sale. Just say, okay, you know, that's it for today. I'm going to go ahead and end this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Wow. Huge piece. Y'all heard me read off my prices. The most I paid was $3. So it was like $1, $2, and $3. So, whoa. Gorgeous. And truthfully, it did not look this pretty on his camera. So I don't know if it was his lighting in his camera or what. And my lighting sucks too, but this is truly gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. I wish there had been more of the side left on, because that would have made a beautiful pennant. And then, oh, this is from a different dress, I believe. It looks about the same, but it's a little discoloration on this one. Wow, look at this thing. This one's got a little bit of age to it. And these are bright white, but it is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning and gorgeous. And a lot of it here, so David, I do appreciate you having the sale, and I appreciate being able to get them at the price you sold them for. But son, don't sell yourself short anymore. Get what your stuff's worth. Because although I'm happy to have gotten it as cheap as I did, now I feel bad because it really and truly was worth a whole lot more than what I paid for it. Okay, guys, check out David B. And he is here on YouTube, and he also has an Etsy store, which I believe I found it through the link on his videos. And check out that Etsy store because it's pretty cheap and has some pretty good stuff in it. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.